Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you guys. For people that are returning, welcome. I have something very interesting that I want to review today, and as you see, I am wearing a swimsuit, and this has something to do with booby tape. So yeah, but it is time to go swimming, and a lot of girls want to wear halter tops if you're trying to lift those puppies up just a little bit. As you know, right now I don't have them on, but I'm gonna show you the before and after. So if you're into something like this, or if you really need something like this, watch this video. I'll make it short and quick and simple. Let's start. All right, so VBT, there it is right there. That's the name of the company. That's their website right there, you guys. And this is a product that's good for somebody that has allergies, and it's even good for sweat resistance. It's actually waterproof, but I think this one is actually waterproof. So this is what the package looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a two-tone pink and purple. And it shows you right here how to apply in all different ways right there. Very easy to read, very simple. Extra strength. It's a cute packaging too. I like this little tape that they added right here. I found this company on Instagram, and that is their Instagram right there. Reveal. Cute little card with instructions. And wow, I have both colors. As you see on their website, they have, you can buy one or the other, but they gave me their combo. Ooh, it's packaged really nice. Ooh, that's a lot. It's a lot in there. I think I'll definitely wear oh, and then these are good too. So these are like little tapes when your bra kind of peeks through, or you're wearing a silk blouse and you kind of want to tape it down to not let it just keep popping out. Or if you're not wearing barely nothing, you just want to tape the fabric to your clothes, kind of so it doesn't reveal when it's very close. And another great packaging. Look at that. These are the actual little jelly paddings, to enhance the boobs a little bit. Very thin. I thought they would be a lot bigger and thicker, but this can hide the nipple as well. So you would place these on top. Oh, okay, two different types. So I got one that's like a waterproof, and then one that's like more of a cotton padded one that you would usually, kind of like, it reminds me of those cushions that you get for your shoes. Hey, calm down. That's baby Citrine right there. You trying to be seen today, huh? You want to say hi to everybody? You want to tell everybody you lost your girlfriend? Yeah, he's pretty sad. He lost his girlfriend from parvo last week, so he wants some love. There you go. All right, go play. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the difference in enhancement on my breast. I'm a C34, well really, yeah, 34, 36, but I'm definitely a C cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. All right, so I like that they really protect this. So it just has like a little slit, and you just pull down right there. Hopefully it won't unravel. Oh, they double it. I like that. Very high end. Hey, let's be quiet, Citrine. Oh, so you guys, okay. So it's sticky on one side and just kind of like a nice cloth material. So I don't need much, so I'm just gonna cut to right here, and I'm going to apply it right along here just to give it a little lift going that way, because I want to enhance it more like that. Okay. All right, before you start, this is the before. Oh, you guys, I've never tried nothing like this. I thought I could just do small pieces like this and just put it there, and it didn't do the trick. I needed a piece almost this long. Well, half this size, because I used two of them, so we'll just say like that. And I applied it going up and around like that, and then I put the nipple cover on it, The only thing I didn't like is that it's raveling up here at the end. So I think for swimsuits, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. See, I have to like worry about tucking that in, but it is smooth and it did cover. I just don't know if I see much of a lift because I had to go in an angle. So yeah, you guys, let me show you the after. So you have to make for sure it's like covered. Oh, you can kind of see it a little bit, but not as bad. I'm wearing a white swimsuit. Let me shake. They actually feel very comfortable on. I'm just gonna have to do it with different dresses and tops, as I see that for swimsuits, it's a little different. Thought it was gonna be more like that, but that's too good to be true. It's interesting, you guys. I actually think it's pretty unique, and I'm glad that I have a lot of it so I can just really try it with more outfits and stuff. And I definitely think this is only my opinion. I definitely think this is good for somebody that has more of a medium to small breast. Like if you're in the double D's, that's gonna be like a lot of tape going like around. And I think it could work, but I just don't know if you want to use that amount of tape. Now I did just get out the shower and I noticed that made a big difference. I didn't apply no lotion on my skin so it can stick really nice. As you see, it didn't stick well on the top, and I don't have no lotion or anything on. Maybe it's just because my hair is damp a little bit, but yeah, there it is. Now we're going to go on the detail of the box again. VBT nipple cover kit, booby tape breast tape kit. Pretty unique. I like whoever designed this. I mean, it is get beauty, get freedom. Cute. It is a very unique item and it's definitely wanted. So as the sticker, they applied it like that. So I kind of did that, but I couldn't do like 2 or 3 because of the swimsuit on the very top. Wow, so it's actually made 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So that's why it had a good stretch. So I realized, I thought I can just like take it off of here and then apply it. I realized to keep it on the paper and kind of hold it and stretch it as you go, kind of like that, and peel it. I realized that worked for me. I did mess up a couple times. Here, any breast size, but I want to go in the triple sizes. Silicone nipple covers, that's what I have on, very comfortable. I would want them a lot bigger, just so you guys know, I would like them a lot bigger, but it did cover the whole areola area. Oh, and this is really nice. It's showing like a lot of different ways. That's cute. A lot of different ways to apply it. And it's saying it'll last for 12 hours and you got 30 days money back guarantee. I love when they like give you the guarantee on it. You know what I mean? I still have them on. What do you think? I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love doing videos like this. So please make for sure you hit that subscribe button right there and subscribe to my channel if you like reviewing products. Yes, yes. And I have another channel all about natural curly hair. So if you're trying to grow your hair or having some hair problems or issues, you need to go right there to my hair YouTube channel. Again, I'll see you guys to the moon, stars, and back. One love, peace, harmony.